What's up, Super Lakota Bros? Welcome to another reaction video. I think this is actually my first reaction video on this channel. I discovered this guy. His name is Suction Cup Man. I'm gonna be reacting to this video called Suction Cup Man Fights a Bird. Here we go. Oh wait, I almost forgot if there are subtitles here. Ooh, yay. He's climbing on top of the building. See the sunset. And eat some chips. I'm pretty sure those are real life chips. Okay, this is pretty cartoonish. A pigeon. Why is he attacking? I don't think Suction Cup Man speaks pigeon. Well, wait, is the pigeon gonna suffocate? Yeah, I think it would. Doing the Family Guy death pose. Oh, by the way, you remember when Jameson played Five Newfangled Nights? He said I was sick. Well, I'm feeling better now. Yay! Alright, sorry, let's continue. Yo, just... Yo, where did you get it at the car? Whoa! Bye-bye, Ness. You okay? Yo, he's got a flippin' crowbar. What? Oh, it just fits perfectly through the hole. Helmet nest. Sunset. We made it. The chips. Big chip. Yeah, up on the head from the Oh, Well, I guess that's it, Super Lakota Bros. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and the video I just watched. Well, I know there's a whole series of Suction Cup Man, but don't expect me to watch it, because I've heard it has swears in it. Yeah. Well, that's about it. Bye.